Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best picks for your home and lifestyle. Today, we're diving into what we believe are the best outdoor Halloween pillows available. The Halloween pillow covers 18 by 18 set of 2 featuring a cute ghost and pumpkin print. Perfect for adding a festive touch to your porch, patio, or outdoor seating area. These pillow covers bring both charm and durability to your Halloween decor. Starting with the material, these pillow covers are crafted from a high-quality linen blend. This fabric is not only comfortable and breathable but also sturdy enough to withstand outdoor use. It's lightweight and designed to resist wear and tear, making these covers an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor environments. The linen blend ensures that the pillows stay fresh and inviting, whether you're lounging on your couch or entertaining guests outside. Each pillow cover measures 18 inches by 18 inches, a versatile size that fits most throw pillows. The covers come in a set of 2, so you can easily coordinate your decor. The standout feature here is the double-sided printing. Both sides display the same vibrant ghost and pumpkin design in black, white, and orange. This means no matter how you place them, your Halloween spirit will shine through from every angle. The design itself is festive without being over the top. The cute ghosts and pumpkins offer a perfect balance between spooky and playful, making them ideal for a family-friendly Halloween atmosphere. Whether you use these on your porch chairs, living room sofa, or bedroom, they instantly update your space with a seasonal flair. One of the most practical aspects of these covers is the hidden zipper closure. This invisible zipper is neatly sewn into the seam, giving the pillow covers a clean and polished look. It also allows for easy removal and insertion of pillow inserts, so you can quickly swap or wash them as needed. The stitching around the edges is reinforced to prevent unraveling, which enhances the overall durability and longevity of the covers. Speaking of care, these pillow covers are simple to maintain. They can be hand-washed or machine-washed on a gentle cycle in cold water. Just avoid bleach and ironing, and tumble dry on low heat if necessary. This easy care routine means your Halloween decor will stay bright and fresh for many seasons to come. In terms of styling, these pillow covers are versatile. The classic Halloween colors and charming pattern fit perfectly in various settings, from farmhouse-style homes to modern apartments. They complement other Halloween decorations, whether indoors or out, and can also be used in places like cars, cafes, offices, or even camping setups. The breathable linen fabric adds comfort, making these covers suitable for cuddling or just leaning against. The set weighs just under 7 ounces, so they're light enough to move around but still substantial enough to hold their shape with the right pillow insert. Keep in mind that these covers come without inserts, so you'll need to provide your own pillows to fill them. Overall, these Halloween pillow covers combine festive design, durable material, and practical features that make them an excellent choice for anyone looking to spruce up their seasonal decor quickly and stylishly. If you want to transform your space with a touch of Halloween fun without worrying about wear or maintenance, these pillow covers are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more product insights to help you make the best choices for your home. See you next time.